Hello guys, today I show you some mistakes they added to Melon Playground or bugs as well. Let's get started. Also like and subscribe for more videos please. They messed the living and named it user mods when it's supposed to be a robot named user mods, not the living. Also they added blue sword and blue axe when the game has sword and axe. Also, they added another rocket launcher by mistake, maybe because the new rocket launcher is the same as old one. Also, why does bullets on normal gun go through the person and on laser gun it doesn't? It kinda makes no sense. Also, did you know that if you flip a PC and touch a little of the gun, it break immediately? The gun broke already. And wheels break too, and when I flip it, wheels break more. Also, you know snowman dies of water, but when you do rain or water gun, snowman won't melt. That makes no sense. It used to melt when you use water gun. Anyways, back to rocket launcher. See, I told you rocket launcher looks like old one. They just added another rocket launcher on accident, maybe. Also, they added new blood type. It's black. I hope you guys liked it. Subscribe for more. Bye. See ya in next video.